In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a sign-up landing page. We'll start right from the dashboard. First, click Create. This opens the menu for making new assets. From there, click Sign Up Form. That tells the platform you're building something to collect subscriber details. Next, choose Sign Up Landing Page. This option gives you a dedicated page you can share anywhere, perfect for growing your audience without needing a full website. Now click Build It. You'll be taken straight into the landing page editor. On the canvas, you'll see a simple starter layout with a title section at the top, an email field beneath it, and a subscribe button. These are the essential building blocks for a clean, high-converting sign-up experience, and they're already in place so you can move quickly. Let's customize the headline. Click on the title and replace it with something clear and inviting, like Join Our Newsletter. Keep it short, easy to understand, and focused on the benefit. A direct statement works best here, and you can refine the tone to match your brand. Next, review your form fields. Make sure email is present and set as required, since you need it to deliver messages. If you want to personalize your emails later, you can optionally add first name. To include it, click Add a Field and select the appropriate option. Keep in mind that fewer fields typically mean higher conversion rates, so only add what you truly need. Update the button text to be action-oriented. Click the button and change the label to something like Subscribe or Join Now. Short, energetic phrases work well and help set clear expectations for what happens next. Before you finalize, head to the Settings area, which you'll find in the top or side panel depending on your layout. Set the audience to project news. This ensures new subscribers are automatically routed to the correct list or segment, so they receive the right updates without any manual sorting later. When you're happy with everything, click Save or Continue to lock in your changes. Finally, click Publish to push the landing page live. At this point, your page is ready to share, and new subscribers will flow directly into your chosen audience, keeping your communications organized from day one.